Kawasaki Ninja 400 are best motorcycle for beginners. The world of motorcycling is a realm of exhilaration and adventure, and for beginners, choosing the right motorcycle is a crucial decision. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 emerges as an exceptional choice that marries dynamic performance with novice-friendly attributes. With its powerful engine, balanced handling, and iconic Ninja design, the Ninja 400 offers an unmatched introduction to motorcycling for those new to the thrill of two-wheel exploration. Optimized performance and approachability. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 400 lies a formidable 399cc parallel twin engine that combines power and manageability. This engine strikes a balance between exhilarating acceleration and a controlled power delivery, allowing beginner riders to experience the excitement of speed while building confidence. Balanced handling for skill development. The Ninja 400's agile and responsive handling is a boon for beginners eager to develop their riding skills. Its lightweight chassis and stable suspension create a platform that encourages novice riders to master cornering and maneuvering, fostering growth and control on various terrains. Iconic Ninja design. The Ninja series from Kawasaki is renowned for its sporty and aggressive design language, and the Ninja 400 continues this legacy. Its sleek lines, aerodynamic fairings, and signature Ninja color schemes not only enhance visual appeal but also exude the spirit of high-performance riding. Ergonomics tailored for comfort. Kawasaki has thoughtfully designed the Ninja 400's ergonomics to prioritize rider comfort. The bike's moderately upright seating position and well-positioned handlebars reduce strain on the wrists and back, ensuring that riders can enjoy extended rides without discomfort. Advanced safety features. Safety is paramount, especially for beginner riders, and the Ninja 400 addresses this concern with optional ABS, anti-lock braking system. This safety feature enhances braking control and prevents wheel lockup, promoting safe stops even in challenging conditions. Entry to sport-oriented riding. The Ninja 400 provides an entry point to the world of sport-oriented riding. For beginners seeking a taste of high-performance experiences, the bike offers an opportunity to explore the thrill of speed and agility in a controlled and safe environment. Thrilling acceleration and confidence. The Ninja 400's responsive acceleration and energetic power delivery provide beginners with an exhilarating ride. The controlled power ensures that new riders can savor the rush of speed while maintaining a sense of control and confidence. Community and enthusiast bonding. The Ninja community is an active and passionate group of enthusiasts who share a love for Kawasaki's sport-oriented lineup. For beginners, becoming a part of this community offers a platform for learning, sharing experiences, and connecting with fellow riders who understand the excitement of high-performance biking. Room for skill progression. While the Ninja 400 offers an exciting entry to motorcycling, its performance potential also accommodates skill growth. As beginners advance in their riding abilities, they can continue to explore the bike's capabilities and push their own boundaries. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 stands as a testament to the brand's dedication to delivering an exhilarating yet accessible motorcycling experience for beginners. With its potent engine, agile handling, iconic Ninja design, and commitment to safety, the Ninja 400 provides novices with a thrilling introduction to the world of motorcycling. By blending performance and control, the Ninja 400 invites riders to embark on a journey that encompasses both speed and skill development, ensuring that their experiences on two wheels are as exciting as they are safe and fulfilling.